Hi, I'm Dr. Joe Nemeth. I'm a periodontist in Southfield, Michigan, and I've been using the Sonicare water irrigator recently, along with the Waterpik oral irrigator, and sort of been comparing them to see how they are. And I've also given them to a friend of mine to also evaluate them. Anyway, today we're going to do a test to give us an idea of which one may have more power. And we're going to have Peggy, who's going to help us, hold the paper toweling at about 20 inches away from the nozzle, and we're going to see how long it takes that water jet to penetrate the paper toweling. And we're going to use that to help evaluate the power output of these two oral irrigators. So the Sonicare company was kind enough to ask me to evaluate and try and test their new water irrigating device, which I did at home, and I liked it very much. I also gave it to a friend of mine who liked it very much. The Waterpik is another device that's very popular. So I thought what we would do for one thing is to compare the pressure of the Waterpik on maximum pressure to the pressure of the Sonicare water irrigator on maximum pressure. And let's see which one, if we can determine, will give us the most pressure. Because for me, I always like to use it on the highest pressure, and I like my patients, once they're in good health, to use it on the highest pressure. I think it's most effective that way if your gums are healthy. On your mark, get set, go.
There you go.
Okay. This is the Sonicare water irrigator, and we're going to give this a try right now. Ready, set, go. Seemed to be more powerful.
Yeah, that was 3.4 seconds.
Well, I thought that was right away.
This was kind of interesting. It was kind of fun. This is Peggy. She has to leave, but she is beautiful. And I figured she can take her protective wear off so you can really see what she looks like. At any rate, it seemed as though that the Sonicare might actually be more powerful than the Waterpik. Now, actually, in the mouth, it may feel differently. I wanted this friend of mine to also utilize the Sonicare water irrigator. And I'll tell you what she liked about it. Of course, she liked the pressure, and that worked out very well. But it comes with this little tip. And what she did was, she actually, when she was using this tip, now the water isn't as strong when it comes out here. It's kind of diluted a little bit, and I think there are actually 4 little sprays that come out. But she would actually massage her gum at the same time as she was cleaning and debriding the teeth and the gum area. So she actually preferred the Sonicare. That doesn't mean everybody would prefer the Sonicare. The Waterpik is great. I've been recommending it for a long time. There are many oral irrigator devices. Waterpik is probably the most popular, but the Sonicare is a strong contender. This is nice, and it also has a special feature which you can use to pulse it. So if you press this little button here, so let's turn the power on, and then if I press this button, you will see it stops and starts. So basically, when you use that second button, it pauses momentarily to let you know when to go to the next tooth. So that's an interesting innovation. So I would have to give this Sonicare pretty high marks as far as a water irrigator, very competitive with the Waterpik, and it's something that you may want to consider. So we had a lot of fun today. Thank you very much. Remember, water irrigating is a very important part of keeping your mouth healthy, but don't use the pressure too strong if your gums aren't healthy. Use it on lower pressure and be careful with it. At any rate, make sure your mouth is healthy, right?
That's correct.
Because,
A healthier mouth is a healthier body.
right, if your mouth's not healthy, your body won't be either. So we'd love to hear from you. Questions, comments. Subscribe to our YouTube channel so that the bell rings when we make another YouTube, and we'll keep you up to date on as much as we possibly can about keeping your mouth healthy and keeping your teeth, and therefore keeping your body healthy. Have a wonderful, wonderful, great day.
Restore your smile and your health. Visit drnemeth.com to schedule your appointment today.